Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, children. In the last class, we were discussing about desktop publishing and a specific software, Adobe PageMaker. You can open PageMaker using Start All Programs, Adobe PageMaker, and you can create a new document using File New menu. This application will be opened and you will get a document setup dialog box when you click on the menu File View and enter all the settings, appropriate settings, and click OK. You will be able to see a PageMaker page like this. So in the last class we were discussing about the workspace of this one. You know, this is title bar, menu bar, and we discussed about the toolbox where you have several tools and shortcut keys for using the tools and the functions of each and every tool. In this class, you are going to learn how to enter the text in the document. So it can be typed inside a text block. The text can be typed inside a text block. You must use the text tool. This is the text tool. You are going to use the text tool for typing, selecting, and editing the text. After creating a text block, you can type the text directly into the text block. As the characters are typed, the flashing vertical bar called the insertion point moves to the right. You would have used MS Word like a normal word processing software. Here also, inside the text block, if you type, it will reach the end. Automatically, the cursor will come to the next line. You need not press the enter key for each and every line. If you want to have a new paragraph, you have to press the enter key. After entering the text, you can edit the text in the document. What is that editing? Editing means making changes to the text, adding a new text, modifying the existing text. You can delete words or phrases or paragraphs. So these things are called as editing. Editing means making changes to the text. Before doing editing, what is the first step, children? If you want to do some editing, you want to delete or you want to add, you want to copy, paste, what is the first step? You have to select the text first. How to select a text? There are two ways. Text can be selected using mouse or keyboard. So selecting the text using the mouse, first place the insertion point to the left of the first character, that is beginning. At the beginning you place the insertion point and press the left mouse button and drag the mouse to a position where you want to stop. Release the mouse button. The text gets highlighted or selected. There is a shortcut method for selecting a particular word. Double click with the I-beam. Double click on that word to select a word. To select a paragraph, triple click with the I-beam for selecting the paragraph. Selecting the text using keyboard. To select text using keyboard, as usual, place the insertion point at the beginning, use shift key and then movement keys. Release the shift key when the text is selected. To select one character to the left, shift plus left arrow. One character to the right, shift plus right arrow. So these are some keys. Methods are available for selecting a particular word, line or paragraph. If you want to select entire document, this is very important. If you want to select the entire document, you need not go to the beginning of the document and select all those lines or pages or paragraph. Just use shortcut key Ctrl plus A. The entire document will get selected. So you know how to select a text. After selecting the text, you can do the editing. You can copy and paste somewhere. If you want to delete the text, you can delete. Select the character or paragraph, whichever you want to delete. How to delete the text? Simply you use delete key, or you can use backspace key for deleting the character or text. Moving the text. You can move the selected text. Either you can use the menu, edit, cut, or you can use the shortcut key Ctrl plus X. Select the text which you want to move, go to the menu, edit and select cut, or press Ctrl plus X. Then go to the place where you want to place the text. Move the insertion point to the place where the text to be pasted. There use the menu, edit, paste, or the shortcut key Ctrl plus B. This is for moving the text. Copying the text. Select the text which you want to copy. Use the menu, edit, copy, or Ctrl plus C, and place the insertion point, the place where the text to be copied. Use menu, edit, paste, or Ctrl plus B. For copying the text, copying and pasting, Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus V. For moving, Ctrl plus X, Ctrl plus V. What is the difference between moving and copying the text, children? Moving will delete the text from the source place. It will be pasted in the destination. Copy will make a copy of the text. In the original place, the text will be available and a copy will be pasted in the destination. The following keyboard shortcuts can be used to move the text. Ctrl plus X to cut, Ctrl plus V to paste. For copying and pasting, Ctrl plus C to copy, Ctrl plus V to paste. So in this class, you learned how to enter the text in the text block, entering the text, editing the text. For editing, you need to know how to select the text using keyboard or mouse, then moving and copying the text. We'll continue in the next class, children.